Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your HDFC Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in HDFC Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.hdfcbank.com. Just click on that first link. Now you will be taken to the official website of HDFC Bank. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on login button. Now over here you can see the many options. For now guys, I am choosing the net banking. But guys, you can either choose the credit card portal for customer without HDFC Bank account, similarly loan portal and HDFC Limited, or many other options. For now I am clicking the net banking. Guys, again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of HDFC Bank. Now over here you just need to enter your user ID or your customer ID. In case if you forgot your user ID, just click on that forgot customer ID. And once you click on continue button, there you need to enter your password. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.